Hello, everyone. I wanted to touch base with you and just mention a couple of the other parts of WorldBook that you may have forgotten about or you may not even be aware of. When I created this page in Canvas, I gave you a link for WorldBook, so we'll click on that. This will bring you to the home page with tiles. This timeline feature is something you may use in a research project. It's especially useful if you are discussing the chronological life of an author or a historical figure or even a famous person, a scientist. Lots of different things you could use that for. You may even create your own personal timeline. This is a Spanish resource. It has different activities that can help you with your Spanish if you're taking that this year. Also, I would suggest since you're in high school and you're doing research to use the Advanced tab instead of Student, or definitely not Kids and Early Learning, but Student may have some things in it, but most of you are going to find Advanced the most appropriate. So I'm going to click on Advanced. In this particular search bar, I might type in keyword searches about my research topic or person. I might type in Boolean searches. You can use those here. But over here to the right, where it says Research and Resources, there are other tools you might find useful. There's an atlas, behind the headlines, a citation builder. There's even a dictionary, government websites, other maps. In My Research, you can create your own research folder and keep all your information within it. There's pathfinders and other guides, okay? Even today in history and world newspapers. So you may find these useful to use as sources or resources for your research topic. And I just wanted you to be aware of that and see if it's useful for you.